Well, hello, and welcome back to yet another incredible video. And today I've got something really exciting for you guys. I took one of my favorite Dollar Tree items and turned it into 3 amazing home decor DIYs, very high-end looking, and I did all 3 for under $10. This is the video you don't want to miss. Let's get into it. So if you are savvy DIYers or Dollar Tree shoppers, at this point, you already know what my base item is going to be. And it is this incredible stack that came out this past spring in the Dollar Tree Plus section. I think they're supposed to be eggs, but you already know that's not how we're going to use them. Let me show you what I'm going to do. So because these items were designed to stack, the 2 larger pieces have a hole in them. Now for what I'm going to use them for, I need there to not be a hole. So I will basically cover that hole utilizing some thick cardboard, and you will watch as this comes together. So now that we have that together, I'm gonna go ahead and do everybody's favorite thing. No, not really, but stain a bunch of tumbling tower blocks. So now that we have everything we need, let's bring this DIY together. So what you will watch me do is take those tumbling tower blocks and begin to hot glue them onto our egg shape. And I'm just doing this in a pattern that makes sense to me, but this is where your creativity can sing. Find a pattern, pick it, and then just keep going until it turns out the way that you want it to. So this is definitely a place where you could use those pre-stained tumbling tower block, but for whatever reason, for me, I just love the way that the Waverly Antique Wax plays with colors like black and white. So I chose to stain my own, but you could certainly skip that step and just go right to the pre-stained. So this is one of my favorite things to do, is just take something so simple and turn it into something that looks incredible. And to me, I really, really love this piece. This feels like something that I picked up from a high-end boutique. That's how it feels to me. But you guys let me know what you think about it in the comments. Okay, so this next DIY is freakishly easy. I'm basically going to be using one of those wood block rounds from the Dollar Tree, give that a coat of Waverly Antique Wax. And for this particular thing, we are going to be using the top part of that, if you want to call it, egg stack. And you guys are going to watch as this comes together. And this is really, really cool. Okay, so easy, right? But so amazingly cool. And again, I'm just using one of those puck lights from Walmart that you guys know I love to use, but you could really use anything to light this. It's entirely up to you. But this piece, yes. And you guys know I love a good lamp, so let's be for real. I love this piece. So I want to give a quick shout out to my channel members. We just rolled out our memberships about a week or so ago, and we are already growing our community. What we do on the channel for the channel members are we have special member only emojis. We do a live chat each and every single week, and we give you a little shout out like this to help you know how much we appreciate you. If you have not already joined our channel and joined those memberships, we would love to have you. Make sure you click the join button in the description box or right underneath this video. So for this next DIY, we are going to be using the second largest size, or the middle size, from that egg stack, and I'm going to need to add a bottom to this one as well. And I'm just going to run through the same process that I did on the larger piece. So for this next part, I am going to be grabbing some of those larger tumbling tower blocks / Jenga blocks, and I did get these from Temu, and I'm going to go ahead and stain them with Waverly Antique Wax as well. So now after our blocks have dried, we are going to put them together in sets of 2, and we're going to conjoin them in such a way that we make a 90-degree angle, and you guys can watch as this comes together. So now that our sets are together, you will see me kind of do a little bit of an arrangement on those, just trying to make sure that they are the way I need them to be. And then I go ahead and add my base onto them via hot glue. So this one is just a very simple, classic design to me, right? I've seen this played out before, but not in this specific way. And that is what makes this piece really unique to me, and I love it. But again, let me know if you guys like this one as well. Well, as always, I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you will also choose to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are subscribed, I hope that you will choose to join the channel memberships. And of course, I invite you to come back, hang out, and be okay with us.